Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on negative reviews on Poshmark. I don't really know what I'm going to call this video, but you'll know by the name of it. Okay, let me explain this. So I'm kind of like going through all my inventory on Poshmark and I'm just trying to get rid of stuff. So I've dropped all my prices super low, like below what I paid for them when I bought them wholesale. When we drop our prices really low, sometimes that attracts a different kind of client. Think Groupon. If you guys have ever been on Groupon, or if you guys are in the service industry and have went on Groupon to try to get a few more clients or fill not so busy days, the Groupon clientele is very different than what you would want to build your brand on, what a typical client would be. And so I feel in dropping these pricing, I have gotten a different type of client. This is no offense to people who are not like this. There are a ton of exceptions to this rule, but this is just in my experience. So anyway, so I've had a few people who have bought brand new clothes from me, new with tags, everything, for like $8, $6, $5, brand new with tags. You can't even get it at that price if you paid wholesale for it. And in comes some not so great reviews on products. So I thought, you know what, let's do a video on this. Hey, I look so different now. What just happened in the coloring? I had somebody purchase a bathing suit top and a bathing suit bottom from me separately, 2 separate orders. Now, I list my bathing suit tops and bottoms differently because if you're somebody like me, my top may be a large and my bottoms may be a medium. We're all built differently. So I like to list my bathing suit tops and my bathing suit bottoms separately. If you wanted to buy them together, you would have to add them to a bundle. And if you just so happen to purchase them separately, there's nothing I can do about shipping. You already purchased them. I'm just printing out the label and sending it on its way. So for the bottoms, I got a 3-star rating and it said could improve other. And then for the top, I got a 2-star rating and could improve other. The additional comment was, I purchased 2 items from you at the same time. Both are as described, good response time. I don't appreciate paying 2 shipping costs when the items could have been placed in the same bag. Very unnecessary to ship separately. You purchased them separately. You already made the purchase, already agreed to pay the shipping before I was even involved in this process at all, literally at all. So I went on hers and I found her posher thing and I said, hi, just got your ratings on the bathing suit top and bottoms that you purchased separately. Since you didn't add them to a bundle, they came in as 2 separate orders. Unfortunately, I cannot combine shipping for 2 separate orders. In order to pay 1 shipping price, the items have to be purchased in a bundle. Just wanted to let you know so it'll save you money and hopefully will save another seller from a 2-star rating. Are you kidding me? I'm not Poshmark. I am not in control of what. If somebody right now is purchasing something from my page and then purchase something else, you already agreed to pay the shipping before I even got involved. I received 2 separate orders. I received 2 separate orders and I received 2 separate labels. I have to ship those separately, otherwise the funds won't be taken out and I'll lose my money. That has literally nothing to do with me. Before you make a purchase, make sure that you agree to what you're purchasing. It tells you on Poshmark when you're checking out what your shipping is going to be. It tells you exactly how much it's going to come out. So why somebody would write that is literally beyond me. I have no clue in the world. But you know what? This is what we're dealing with, people. So if somebody leaves you a bad review or something that is just literally out of your hands and you have no control over, I hope that you can just laugh about it, because that is literally what you have to do, because there's just nothing that can be done about it. It is what it is. So there you go, guys. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye.